This Afang soup came out so delicious, so I thought I'd like to share. First, I washed my goat meats, used whatever proteins of your choice, added my cow tripe and my water snail at the onset to enable it cook along with the meat. Added some Maggie cube, blended some chili and onions, then added a lot of water that I'll be using to cook my soup. Added salt, cover pot, and allow this to cook. As that is cooking, I'll be preparing my crayfish, lay that set aside, dip on my smoked catfish, set that aside. Also wash my water spinach. I'm supposed to be using water leaf for the soup, but I'm using water spinach. Use whatever ingredient within your reach. So here I properly wash, added salt, and properly wash my vegetable. We set that aside. And now we roughly pound my Okazi leaf. There is no Afang soup without Okazi. So back to our pot. Our meat is about 70% done. I'll then add in my stockfish. Also be adding my onion cow skin. Please use whatever ingredients within your reach. Do not limit yourself to my ingredients. Also, I'll be adding my dried fish at this time to form good base for the soup. Cover the pot and allow to cook for 8 minutes. Check back our pot. Stay on interval to avoid burning. Then I'll be adding in assorted meat pre-cooked and our dried fish. If your dried fish is hard, add it before this time. Also, I'll be adding my crayfish. I'll share my crayfish into 2 portions. Add 1 portion at this moment. Add in my prawns. After adding the prawns, I'll then add in palm oil. I'll add palm oil 2 times. I'll first add now, cover pot and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Come back again and stir to make sure my pot is not burning. And because we'll be using water spinach, that will produce water that we'll be using for the soup. Now I'll bring in my water spinach. Added my water spinach. Here I'll try to curtail the water, the vegetable, stir it up a bit, check the quantity. I think I'll need more vegetable. Then I'll add a little bit of the vegetables, the water spinach. Then cover the pot and allow it to cook on its own for about 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, this is what we have. Now I'll then bring in my Okazi. Added my Okazi leaves at this point. Added more crayfish at this point. Added another palm oil at this time. Cover pot. Allow this to 5 minutes and stir. Meanwhile, as you're stirring this, please start preparing your semo, your gari, then you have your swallow of your choice. And this is how I achieve this delicious, appetizing Afang soup, right far away from home. I hope you try this and enjoy this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. And God
Use
bless you.
whatever ingredient within your reach and customize it to make that dish you want. So now we'll be using water spinach and Okazi to prepare delicious Afang soup. But first of all, this is my ingredient. I have goat meat and I have cow tail. And here is my Okazi. This is the Okazi. Then I had to pound it. And this is our dried fish. Here we have assorted meat, and this is palm oil. We have our cow skin, Kpomo, big sizes. There's smaller sizes, Kpomo. And here's my cow tripe. We have water snail. We'll be using okporoko stockfish. We got some chili and green chili here. We have our Maggie cubes. Here we have our shrimps, and definitely we need salt. And this is our water spinach, already chopped up one, and we'll be using onion. We have our crayfish, and here we'll have our smoked catfish. So let's prepare this all together, folks. And please, if you enjoy this, please just encourage me by clicking the like button and subscribe. So let's cook together, folks.